Hi everyone, I am Madhuri and I am from Bhusawad. So this is my first video to learn English language. So I have decided I will make video in front of camera and uploaded this video in YouTube channel because I love English language. I love to learn English language. So I have decided I will make video. So in this video I will be practicing English speaking language. If I will be stuck in this making video, so please don't mind because I'm learning this language. Not I am a tutor, not I am a expert in this language. So please don't mind it. And you know what, this is my real video. I am not editing in this video or not my mistake hiding in this video. So please don't mind it because I am learning English language. I love English language. You know guys, every time I thought I will make video, but I don't make video. I don't understood why should I don't make video. I am fear, I shy in front of camera. I don't know. You know guys, we have a lot of confidence in front of camera to making video, but now I have decided I will make video. So I am here. In this video I will practicing English language. So if you are a part of my journey to learn English language, to please subscribe my channel and see you soon. Bye.